Should I do the transmission too? Yeah, we'll do the transmission too. Let's go get the right tools. You want to be a miserable old girl? I'll give you a reason to be angry with me. Maybe not. Maybe I need 2 hands for this. Yep. You want to give me a reason? Oh, that's hot oil. There we go. Doesn't even look like ATF anyway. It's all black. We have the ATF coming out, and the engine oil is all out of it. So now, let's let this thing just die. Oh my goodness. Let's start a timer. What's the time right now? Time right now, 3:46. Let's see how long this thing goes. If anything interesting happens, I'll start the camera up. You know what? Wasn't planning on being this mean to this car, but it deserves it. It just took me 2 hours to get it in the shop. 2 hours! Wasn't planning on running this motor anyways, so I just say let's let it blow up. All the oil and ATF are out of this thing, so just to prove to you guys, let's see if there's anything on the deck there. Bone dry! Really hot too! Holy! Uh-oh. You guys hear that? It's starting to be a knocking. I'm getting a little nervous getting more talking like that. These old rusted brake lines, my new throttle cable. Did it. Oh! Oh God, she's coming up the intake. Well, that's what you get. Yeah, so I think we're gonna have to pull this motor. Teaches you right. It teaches you right. Don't do that to me. So, I guess this thing's gonna get a motor swap, and we're gonna have to start building it, stripping it, and getting it ready for the Derby. So, this has been my first engine blow up on here, and it was fun. I can just hear all the fluids coming out the bottom. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. I really hope there's some kind of like catastrophic damage when we pull this thing out. I really hope there is. But on the bright side, we got all the fluids out of it so that when you go to throw this motor in that dumpster car, there's no oil in it at all. Oh my god, that was awesome. Well, that was fun. I really hope something came through the block. I really do. There we go, catching all the fluid so it doesn't make my shop completely dirty. Time is 3:52, so she lasted about 5 minutes without any oil in it. To be honest, I'm pretty impressed. Pretty impressed. Let's see if she'll try to turn over. I highly doubt it. I think it's just gonna be a whole bunch of clicking noises. Let her down a bit. Will she start? No, she's garbage. Well, thank you everybody for watching. This has been my first engine blow up, and this car rightfully deserved it. So thanks for watching. We'll see you back here tomorrow. And I'm gonna need a name for this one. I'm not sure what the project name's gonna be. Maybe blowing off steam or something like that. Because technically she's still smoking. So thanks for watching, boys and girls. We'll see you back here tomorrow on Zach's Workshop.